Hi, it's Caena. Welcome back to my closet and welcome back to my lip service PANtastic Ladies collab update for July. So let's just go ahead and start with what we have been working on, which is over here. So I have a lip scrub, which you see here. I haven't made a ton of progress on, but they go pretty slow. So working on that. Still working on my Jersey Shore peppermint guy, and that's going quite well. This will probably be done before the next update. I hate that. You gotta push it down to get it back down. Okay, that's that. And let's see, what else? Lip liner. Model Co. Illusion lip liner, still going. I have been using it. I just don't use a lot of lip liner, so whatever, it's fine. Let's see. Oh yes, my Tarte Lip Surgeons in the shade Wonder, and you can see that's going down quite a bit. So I only have this much left of this guy, which, if the lines are even still around, you know, doing pretty good. I'm not really keen on marking these, really. I don't really think it matters. I just think it's great that I'm focusing on using these, so that's fine with me. Oh, I forgot to mention this. Got my Hanalei lip treatment here, which, you know, I love this stuff. I'm working on it. Just trying to remember to use this at least every night because it's really good. It's very moisturizing, so it's kind of like my night lip balm. Okay. I've got two lip glosses over here. I've got the Noya Malbec and the Trust Fund Beauty Method to the Madness. You could see that I've been working on these. So I don't know if you can see into this one, but there it is. So I have been working on these. I really like them, so not really a problem. I'm also working on my 4 Bite Beauty lipsticks. I've more been focusing on honeycomb. Let me just find it. Yeah. I'll just show you 2 of these. I haven't really used the other ones. So what I have used is Honeycomb, which is this guy right here. And then this is really I have this in another project, which I will link here. It's the Project Pan Roulette collab that I'm doing with like Rebecca and Alexi, who they're great, and a bunch of other people. So I'll link that. But just for reference, I have made some good progress on Honeycomb. So there's that. Spoiler. Should I be showing you that? Anyways, I've been using Honeycomb a lot. I mean, you know. I've been using it. Let me put all those back because they stay in my makeup basket. And let's talk about my liquid lipsticks that I've been working on. Okay. This is the Manna Kadar in All of Me. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this stuff smells so weird. It's even weirder now because it's not like as bad as I remember. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just because I smell so good. I got something new, so there's that. But anyway, I don't like this. I wore it and I wore it throughout the day and it feathered outside of my lip line, and I hate that. And it's like there's just too much slip to it, and it's pink. I have a ton of pinks. It's just a very plain pink. It's not my favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this guy. And then on that same note, I have this Ofra Pasadena, and I don't know if you can see. I took out the stopper, but I don't know if you can tell, but it's just gotten like kind of goopy and I'm over it. So I think it's done. And the same with Americano. So they were pretty much gone anyways. Well, you know, I could have got a lot more use out of it, but they don't smell bad. They don't smell like they're off, but the consistency has changed. Yeah, the consistency has changed. I'm just not, I have a lot of Ophir lipsticks. I don't need to wear these. They're just weird. They just don't work the way that I expect from Ophir lipsticks anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter these as well. So that's actually kind of exciting. Moving through my collection. Excuse me, pardon me. Yeah, so yeah, in case you're wondering what's on my lips, that's gonna be in a video coming up on Thursday, so I think tomorrow by the time this goes up. So yeah, stay tuned for that, but it's not any of the lipsticks that are in this project, so I'm doing great on that. Anyway, I want to go ahead and bring in some new things to test out. So I just figured I'd put this in. It's my Pure little it's like a lip scrub slash plumper, apparently. Just goes on for days. Okay, so that's it. It is pretty darn full. As you can see, I've just flattened out the point just a little bit. So if you look, like it had a pointed tip, but I've just flattened that down. But what I use this for is swatches. If I'm swatching lipsticks, I like to use this in between because it can be really hard on your lips to swatch a bunch of different lipsticks, especially if they're like mattes. So I like to keep this here just in case I need to, you know, scrub my lips down a little bit. Anyway, I'm not going to swatch the things that I have already swatched that are already in this project because you've seen those. If you haven't, you can go ahead and I'll link them and you can go ahead and take a look. I have swatched them all over there. But I'm gonna bring in this Meet Matte Hues, and I think this is Sentimental. I can't see. Yeah, it's in the color Sentimental, so that's what this is. It's like a raspberry. They all smell like chocolate mint, so that's kind of cool. But it's just like this raspberry color. For a liquid lipstick, I do enjoy this. So there's that. It's just a very pretty raspberry. They don't dry down all the way, and they're not, you know, they don't dry down all the way, but they feel nice. They're not like really drying on the lips, so I do like these. So I'm gonna bring that one in. And then I'm also gonna bring in these three from Too Faced. They're like the melteds. So I have just the regular melted in Melting Violet or Melted Violet. Let me just swatch that one for you. This color, it's so beautiful. It has like this blue shift to it, kind of like not a blue shift, but like it's like a purple, like a violet, but with like a blue violet shift almost. It's so good, but that's what that looks like right there. And then I have Dream House, which is like a melted metal. I have two of the metal versions of this that I'm bringing in, but it's like hard to swatch on my bony hands where the tendons are. Sometimes I'm like, why is this swatching weird now? I thought you were still good. No, I think it's all right. This is in Dream House right here. And I have Tutu right here. I had Bunny and it was like oily and gross, and I think I got rid of it in one of my using my lipsticks. So if you want to see that, you can check that out. but this is Tutu. Got a little too much out on that one. But there she is. So it's Tutu. So all in all, I'm bringing in these 4 new lipsticks, and I'm excited about that because I don't know why I forgot about these, but I know that I really love the violet one, and I've had these for a while. So I do want to work on those. And I really want to play with the metal one some more because I really just haven't. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my lip service update. I'm kind of constantly adapting this thing to fit my needs and to really just help me get through my lip products. And, you know, in addition to my using my lipsticks series that I'm doing, this is just really helping me to kind of cull everything down. Mostly I'm using this one to just get rid of things that are going off or just too old or whatever. Maybe I just don't remember liking them and then I don't like them. So anyway, wipe off my hand so I don't get that everywhere. Done. So that is everything for my lip service PANtastic Ladies collab project Pan. And I hope you will go ahead and check out some of the other ladies. I will link all their information below so you can do that because there's a lot of great people in on this. And until next time, bye.